My name's Grocke, Director of LG Vineyard Services. We started the company in 2001 and I'm a 5th generation grape grower in the Barossa. The type of services we do range from fungicide spraying, herbicide spraying, lots of compost and straw mulching, under vine and broadcasting. I love innovation. I basically grew up with innovation in my blood, I think, because my dad and my grandfather love innovation in their own sort of ways. About 6 years ago, we reached a point in our business, things were happening out in the vineyard that I didn't know what was going on, didn't know where the tractors were. It was just totally frustrating. So I was looking for some sort of a GPS system out there in the industry that could offer us a way to track what was going on out in the field. And that's when we came across TrackMap. It's pretty much a total game changer for our business. The fact that we capture so much data and statistics that comes back to the office that we can actually use to plan our next job in that same vineyard and have that real-time live tracking and that collaboration with the team. And the other part to that is just how easy the hardware is to use in the tractor. When we have a new operator join our team, it's so easy for them to be able to get to the right vineyard at the right time because they know that the map is showing them they're in the right spot. Very intuitive. Most of them feel totally comfortable with going into a job without having ever been to that block before. It just works when it needs to. Some of the other benefits I've enjoyed is the collaboration and the communication we have with the TrackMap development team in New Zealand. They're a very open bunch of people that are happy to listen to our suggestions and ideas for innovation to improve efficiencies within the system. They've been really good to work with, all right from the start really. So anyone else considering using TrackMap, it's definitely going to give you some pretty amazing efficiencies within your own vineyard. It's just the best way to go for using GPS, I believe, in viticulture.